In this video, we will discuss about question number 2, exercise 4.1, linear equation in two variables. Observe. What about this question? Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What about this one? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is what? Linear equation in two variable. This is ax plus by plus c is what? Linear equation. This is what? Linear equation in two variable. X and y are two variables. A is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y and c is what? Constant. C is what? Constant term. So, general form of linear equation in two variables is what? Ax plus by plus c. So, what we want? Express the following linear equations in the form of this one. We are having 6 questions, not 6 one. We are having 8 questions. What? We are having 8 questions. We want to express these questions in the general form. In this form we want to express and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. For each questions, for each linear equation in two variables, we want to find the values of a, b, c, coefficients of x and y and constant term in each case. So I am taking question number 1. I am taking what? Question number 1. What is the question number 1? 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. Clear? First we will write this is a two linear equation in two variables. X and y are two variable and this one is linear because variable power is what? Maximum power of variable 1. It means degree 1. Clear? First we will write this equation in the general form. So what will be the general form? 2x plus 3y equal to, not equal to, I am transposing this one towards the left, then we are getting minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Now we will compare this one from the general form of linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Clear? So we want to compare this linear equation in two variable from this one. So value of a is what? 2. Value of a. Now this is the general form. First we should write this equation again in the general form. How we will write the general form? This can be written as what? 2x plus 3y plus minus of 9.35 bar. Observe what we are doing. Both are same, but in the general form we are having plus sign, but in this equation we are having negative one. So we should put a plus there, then we will take like this. Clear? Now compare this one from this one, then the value of a, this is the what? General form, that's okay, but value, we want the values of a, b, c. So a will be what? 2, b will be what? 3, and c will be what? Minus of 9.35 bar. So these are the values of a, b, c, and general form of will be this one and this one. Both are correct. Clear? So this will be the solution of this question. Now I am taking question number 2. What about second one? X minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. We want to write this one in the general form first, then we will compare. So I am writing in this form. How we will write? X plus minus 1 upon 5 y plus minus 10 equal to 0. Yes or no? Now already this is the general form, but we want to compare, so we can write x plus I am taking minus 1 upon 5 as the coefficient of the y. Once we solve this one, we are getting same one. Again plus into minus minus, we are getting this one. So now compare from ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then value of a, its coefficient will be what? 1. So a equal to 1, b equal to what? Minus 1 upon 5, and c equal to what? Minus of 10. Minus of 10. Clear? This is what? Question number 2. Now question number 3. Observe. What will be the solution of question number 3? Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now first write this one in the general form. General form is what? Ax plus by plus c. So this can be written as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now this can be written as minus 2x plus 3y plus minus 6 equal to 0. Now compare from the general one, then the value of a equal to what? Minus 2, b equal to what? 3, and c equal to what? Minus 6. Clear? So we obtained ABC value. Now what about the next question? I am doing this question there. Question number 4th one. What will be the solution of question number 4th? Observe carefully how we will solve. Question number 4, we are having x equal to 3y. First we will write in the general form. We can say x minus 3y equal to 0. We can also write x plus minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. Compare from the general form of linear equation in two variable, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So compare this one, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to what? 0. So we obtained ABC values for this linear equation. Now next one, question number 5.1, 2x equal to minus 5y. This can be written as 2x plus 5y equal to 0. Yes or no? We are transposing, so this will be plus. Now write in the general one, 2x plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. So value of, compare this equation from this one, then a equal to what? 2, b equal to what? 5, and c equal to what? 0. We obtained ABC values. Now next question number what? 6th one. What about this question? Question number 6th. This one, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. It is one variable equation, but we want to write in this form. This is the one variable, only x variable we are having. It is not two variable equation, but we want to express in this form. So how we will express in this form? We can write 3x plus 0y, 0 multiplied y will be what? 0, no doubt, plus 2 equal to 0. Compare from this one, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a general form of linear equation in two variable. So finally, once we compare, then a equal to 3, b equal to 0, and c equal to what? 2. These are what? Values of ABC for this linear equation. Now next question, 7th one I am taking. Question number 7th and 8th, two questions are remaining. All questions are simple. Once we know the general form of linear equation in two variables, this one, then we will write in this form and then compare ABC, then we can find the values. Now question number 7th one. Question number 7th one I am taking, y minus 2 equal to 0. Again this one is the linear equation in one variable, but we want linear equation in two variables. So how we will write? Now in which x is not there, so we can say 0x plus 1y, or we can say normally y, clear, plus minus 2 equal to 0. 0 into x 0, 1y will be y. Clear? No necessity to write 1. Y plus minus 2, this will be the c value. Now compare from the general one, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then the a equal to what? 0. B equal to what? 1. And c equal to what? Minus 2. These are the values of ABC. Clear? Simple. Now last one, 8th one I am taking. 8th question will be what? 5 equal to 2x. This is also what? Linear equation in one variable, but we require linear equation in two variable. This can be written as 2x minus 5 equal to 0, or in the general form how we will write? 2x plus 0y plus minus 5 equal to 0. Now we will compare from the general form of linear equation in two variable, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then the value of a equal to 2, b equal to 0, and c equal to what? Minus 5. So in this way we obtained the values of ABC. So what about this question? First we want to write these linear equations in the general form, ax plus by plus c. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Clear? Then we will compare. First we will write in this form, then compare, and then we will find the values of ABC. Clear? I hope you understand these all questions. This is not so difficult, easy. We can easily to express in the general form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This one is what? Linear equation in two variables. And finally once we compare, then we can find what? ABC value. So that's all about this question. Thank you so much.